Hey guys, Mrs.roopa here, and welcome to the classroom. So today we are going to talk about a group of dinosaurs that were carnivores. So we know the words carnivore, herbivore, omnivore, and today we're going to talk about just the carnivorous dinosaurs. So those are the dinosaurs that like to eat meat. And I know as soon as I say that, there are some dinosaurs that are going to pop right into your mind, okay? There's a group of dinosaurs called theropods, and underneath this group, theropods, is where you're going to find most of your carnivorous dinosaurs. There are many well-known dinosaurs in this category. So it's important to point out that there are many types or subgroups underneath the category of carnivorous dinosaurs, but not all of these dinosaurs lived at the same time. So that's important also to know, that dinosaurs were not just in one area of time, but also they spanned out. So you had one group of dinosaurs here that were carnivores, but they also kind of went through time, and there were also carnivorous dinosaurs there too. So just like all dinosaurs kind of share some common traits with a carnivorous dinosaur or a meat-eating dinosaur, they all shared some common traits as well. So we're going to talk about those too. The first thing, and probably the most important adaptation, which means that an animal has to have this to adapt to its surroundings, is the teeth. You are going to hear me mention a lot about the teeth of a certain dinosaur, okay? So carnivorous dinosaurs, they had teeth that were like knives. And there's a word that goes along with it called serrated. So they had serrated teeth, and this allowed the carnivorous dinosaur to eat the meal that it was going to, because a dinosaur's skin was very tough. So in order for a carnivorous dinosaur to eat, it had to be able to kind of rip it apart. So they had those serrated teeth. That was an adaptation that it had. They had large hands, and I know when I say this, I kind of laugh, because when I think of our carnivorous dinosaur, I think about a Tyrannosaurus Rex. And I think about those little bitty hands or little bitty arms on that big dinosaur. Here's the thing though, they did have short arms, but their hands were large, and that allowed them to grasp the prey that they were going after. So short arms, yes, but large hands for grasping, okay? In the previous video, I talked about how dinosaurs had extra holes in their skulls. Carnivorous dinosaurs are the same. So again, I'm going to ask that you take a minute and feel the side of your skull, and you're going to notice that you have two holes. Those are called your temples, okay? So kind of massage them a little bit. Now, dinosaurs had those too, but they also had holes that were in the back of their skull behind their eyes, and they also had holes in their jaws. So that was a common characteristic amongst carnivorous dinosaurs, those extra holes in their skull. Super cool. Another fun fact about carnivorous dinosaurs is that they had hollow bones. Again, bird fact, birds have hollow bones. These were called pneumatic bones. And so if something has hollow bones, that's going to allow them to move pretty quickly, okay? So our three characteristics: serrated teeth, allowing them to really rip apart their prey, okay? Those extra holes in their skull, and those hollow bones that allow them to run very fast, those pneumatic bones, all right? So let's jump into some fun examples of carnivorous dinosaurs. So number one, the Spinosaurus, which is known as the largest meat-eating dinosaur that there was, okay? So Spinosaurus, he was a meat eater. He lived during what's called the Cretaceous period, and he was thought to live on land and spend time in the water, and fossils that were found of the Spinosaurus showed that he really liked to eat fish. So that is what kind of gave the paleontologists the idea that this particular dinosaur loved to spend time on land and in water. The next one, and this is a very long word that I'm going to try to pronounce correctly. A lot of these dinosaur names are very, very long. This one is called Hesperonychus. Hesperonychus. And just like the Spinosaurus is the biggest dinosaur that there was, meat eating, the Hesperonychus was the smallest meat-eating dinosaur. He was landing in at about 1 meter long. This guy liked to eat insects, little baby dinosaurs, and he also liked to eat little fish. So you're going from the Spinosaurus to the Hesperonychus, okay? And then, of course, this would not be a carnivorous dinosaur lesson without the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex, okay? He had those powerful back legs, and a really cool thing, Tyrannosaurus Rex was a big guy. He was a big dinosaur, but he is known for the fact that he could hide in the brush and then pounce on his prey. So he was very quiet, very stealthy, and those back legs that he had allowed him to pounce out of nowhere, okay? So the name Tyrannosaurus Rex actually means tyrant lizard, which is a super cool name, tyrant lizard. And he is one of the biggest meat eaters. He's not the biggest, but he is very, very large. Dinosaurs are known for having small brains. That's a fact that's kind of a misconception, which means it's not quite true. So the Tyrannosaurus Rex actually had quite a large brain, and he was able to use that to have a good sense of smell, and that actually helped with his vision, okay? And with the vision, he might have had like telescopic vision, they think, so he was able to see a lot more than just what's in front of him as well. So that is our lesson on carnivorous dinosaurs. There were a lot of misconceptions out there about dinosaurs, that they were all just out there attacking each other, and that's a misconception as well. That's not very true. So Spinosaurus, go look him up, biggest meat eater. The Hesperonychus, smallest dinosaur, and then all famous Tyrannosaurus Rex. Check him out, guys. So cool. We are going to be learning tomorrow about herbivores. So herbivores are those dinosaurs that only ate plants. So I hope that you will take this time, like, share, and subscribe this lesson. And I hope that you'll join me tomorrow for a lesson on herbivorous dinosaurs.